Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is 18C310A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille, a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. The seats are clean. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of a button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.